back to where it all started. Earlier today we did $24 bets, and now we are here to exact revenge. We were on many other machines. We had fun, but they didn't go as planned because we didn't win the grand jackpot yet. But now here we are. We're gonna do it here. We'll start off with a couple max bets because we're feeling crazy. Yes, first spin. When we were accidentally betting 24 was just regular 4, you know. Okay, absolutely nothing line hit wise. Let's go to 5 cents. Yeah. $3. Kitties. So those are the progressives up there. 62.50 minor. It's a pretty random number, but gonna try our best. Yeah. Oh.
That was a slow one.
That was a slow one, but it didn't matter. $4 again. Come on, jackpot. Boom. Nope. Takes a long time, but not that long. We want to get a triple pop on this bet size. No. At least see some gems too. Oof, oof. Do I need to pan up? No, I don't. We're trying our best to exact revenge for the day. They're gonna start with the jackpot feature. Maybe, but not this spin. Okay, oh, keep going. It's so round. It tricked another bet out of me. Okay. It's so exciting when they drop. I don't know why. This is like my favorite triple pop game, even though it's treating us incredibly rudely right now. Yeah, it's pretty bad in terms of line hits. There was 10 cents, $4 here. 10 cent, $4. Any kind of line hits here or gems would be nice. Yes. Yes. Collect would be nice here. Hello? It's crazy there's no line hits either. Oh my goodness, come on. Better do it. Wow, is it gonna make us go back to 1 cent? It has to give a bonus, right? It's just being nice. Do it. It did. Yes, it did. Okay. All right, we got the boost on a $4 bet, 10 cent denomination. We stayed persistent. We stayed with our bet size. We didn't drop down. Now, wifey, do you want to do it? You were the lucky one last time. Wifey, yes, her magic hands. Yes, let's get a few more pops in here. Let's yeah, so we can get those in here, obviously. Boom. Okay. We gotta collect. Can you pop it though? Not yet. Okay, boost. Let's see how much it boosts it.
1,000.
1,000. Oh my god. 35. Close. Exact opposite side of the spectrum, but we can do it. Hello? Oh no, don't do this to us. I don't think so, right? Okay, I didn't think so. 1-800-COLLECT. Bop. Bop, 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 bop. Okay. Any of you? Some more boost. Yeah, no, the pop. I don't know if the jackpot. No, it's the boost again. So we already have the boost, so.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. So big. Yes. That happens all the time. But we'd want it to be the one time that it does something different. Okay. This collect has been bouncing around a lot. I think it can pop soon. That just being optimistic. 35 10 senses. Okay, we need some help. We need some help here. Look at them all. Look at them all. Primed and ready.
Not nice one.
This one was a not nice. Take what is ours. Okay, I guess. 10x win. Okay, last time he gave us a back-to-back, remember? Like right after. So Will gave us another back-to-back. I mean, it didn't even say anything. It didn't say like great or wonderful or whatever. It just because it wasn't. Because it was the worst one it could have been. Yeah. 10x our bet.
It's like not even worth doing the higher.
Yeah, I mean.
We'll give you $40, right?
Or 10x, yeah. So minus 50 here. Not getting much in the way of gems here. Will collect finally pop here though? No. It's so exciting to get it on a higher denomination, 10 cents. You have a chance for something good. A lot better to have a triple pop. Okay. We need some help here, Tigers. Will it pop on a baby bet? 160, it's not bad, but. Okay. Beautiful green gem is up there. Oh. Yes? No. It's jiggling. Okay, 288 back. We need some magic, and we are at the right game. A magical game, but oh, that was pretty good. Okay, how much is that? $10. We need some more of those. Aces. Okay. Okay. Do it, do it, do it. It didn't do it. Come on. Boom, 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 boom. They're jiggling. The jackpot feature is so good to get because you have a chance for those progressives. Speak of the double? No. Not yet. Boosts? Nope. Does this machine know how hard we've worked for this bonus? Did it do it? No. Oh, it did. Okay. It tricks us so much. It's like a boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's see if we can recoup $1 million.
My rubbing was bad.
Your rubbing was bad. I'll do the base. You gotta start with the base to build back up. Okay. Let's see, what are we doing again? Collect. 1-800-COLLECT. Okay, let's do some bonuses in here. Oh, wait. Yes.
It's sorry.
It's sorry, maybe. Yes. We need to get the blue one too, because it actually gives us what the feature is supposed to be. If it does jackpot, that'd be huge. Okay, there we go. Finally get a collect one. Okay. Okay.
Collect your fortune.
Collect our fortunes. Okay.
Collect.
Okay, again.
We need a few hundred more of those.
We need a few hundred more of those. She's right. We do need a few hundred more of those. We need some more white and beautiful green gems too. Or just a bunch of tiny ones. Wait, it's gonna happen. Okay. Oh god.
The treasure is yours.
Yeah. I know, it's tough. Okay, $30, 33. Just skiing. I'm getting creeped out here. Something very strange is happening to the left of us, people. So if we're quiet, that's why. Do it back to back. Jackpot feature. We believe in you.
What is a jackpot?
That's the one where you get the chance for the progressives and stuff. It gives you those random ones. Yeah. Oh, do it again. Do it again. It tricked us last time in a good way, though. Tigers. Okay. Yes or no? Yes or no? The answer is no. Do. We're trying our hardest. Yes? No. Okay. Some beautiful palaces. Do. More palaces. No 5 of a kind. Last second chance for romance. That's what we need, the 17,000. Is that just too much to ask for? 1,000 times our bet? Or 10,000 million times our bet, I should say. Some fast spins.
No diamonds.
No diamonds. 1 diamond, we'll do it. No. Okay, random line hit. Oh, okay. Oh, that was not good. Yes, or is this gonna be good though? It's gonna be terrible is what it's gonna be. And we have to live with it. It's gonna be good though. Do. We wanna hear that sound. We wanna hear that sound. Do. No, it's like, it wants us to put in more money, which we don't know if we'll do. But thank you for watching, and we'll be back to the next one. I got 2 bonuses that didn't do anything. Little wifey's sad. Oh, wifey's laughing at me, actually. It's not sad. But we'll be back. Bye-bye.